So component of force along the displacement, that is F cos theta. Another component is perpendicular to the first one, which is F sin theta. Now here, according to the definition of work, work is what? Component of force in the direction of displacement into displacement. So simply we can write it F cos theta into D. Now from the definition of scalar product or dot product, can I say it is F dot D vector? Is it clear? F dot D vector. Okay. Now over here, if the force and displacement they are given in form of components, like suppose F is given to us as Fx I cap, Fy j cap, Fz k cap, and similarly displacement vector, okay, that is x I cap plus y j cap z k cap. And if we want the dot product of f and d, simply it will be what? F of x into x plus f of y into y plus f of z into z. Okay. Now remember that here work done is a scalar quantity. It will not have any direction. The second thing, unit of work, it is joule in MK system, and in CGI it is ERJ. Okay, CGS system, the unit is ERJ. 1 joule, that is equal to 10 raised to 7 ERJ. Similarly, one more unit is there, calorie. Okay, so 1 calorie you can write 4.2 joule. One more unit is there, electron volt. Remember that 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Okay, so these are the some units of the work done. Now here we are going to discuss when the force will be positive, when the force will be negative, and when the force will be zero. So there are different cases. In first case, if I consider the value of theta greater than 0, greater than equal to 0, and less than 90 degree pi by 2. In that case, cos theta will be in first quadrant. The value of cos theta will be positive, greater than 0. It means the work done will be positive. Okay. Second case, especially when the theta is 90 degree pi by 2. We know the value of cos 90 degree is 0. So work done in that case will be 0. The third situation, when the theta is greater than 90 degree and less than equal to 180 degree. In that case, the value of cos theta is negative and work done will be also negative.